Hi, I'm Jacob at JDS Industries, here to tell you about the digital flyers you can download, personalize, and use to promote your business. Let's get started. Go to jdsindustries.com and log in. Click on the Marketing tab located towards the top of the page. Next, scroll down and click on the Editable PDF Flyers icon. This will bring you to a page with all of the editable flyers JDS has to offer. Once you find the flyer you want to download, click on the file name. This will bring up a preview of the flyer where you'll also have the option to download. Each program may be different, but once open, the areas of the flyer that you can edit are highlighted. To edit the flyer, click on the highlighted text and add your retail price, business name, and contact information. If there's information you wish to remove from the flyer, simply select the text and delete it. You can even open the flyer in the design software of your choice to make more in-depth changes. When finished, simply save the file, and your flyer is now ready for you to print, mail, email, share on social media, or wherever works best for you and your business. JDS strives to make marketing easier for you, and we hope these editable flyers will help you successfully promote your business and sell more products. If you have any questions, call the number below. Thanks for watching.